a report is a scheduled export of your data. On the Reports page, click Create Report. Step 1 is General Settings. Give your report a recognizable name, then choose the Data section. Your monitored URLs, the price timeline, or MAP infringements. Next, set how often it runs, weekly, daily, or hourly, with a clock to pick the time of day. Choose the file format, CSV, Excel, XML, or JSON. Then pick your recipients. Email it to any address or publish it to a web file. Click Next to choose which products the report covers. By default, that's everything, but you can pick individual products, build a quick filter set, or use the query builder, and preview products to check the match. Finally, click Create Report. It appears on your Reports page and runs on its schedule from then on, delivering your data automatically. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@pricefy.io.